Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm back today with my third, I believe, maybe fourth WALT Life unboxing. This is probably going to be my last one, as there are many other ones I want to try, and so without having any other experience with any other Disney subscription, I can only comment that it's a good box. I think that the price is good for what you get, but I just feel it's geared toward Disney World, and my home park is Disneyland, and so I'm gonna try another subscription box probably here in the future. But let's get into this. Dream big. And, oh yeah. Did you see it? Sorry. So this is the stuff we got. Look at the Funko. Okay, let me take everything out and then we'll go through it. So they always pack it with this shred, so I get shred added to my collection. But look, oh, it's Quasi. Sorry for the glare. I won't take him out because I don't open my Funkos. I'm not a hardcore collector. I have only a few, but I do have some. And so he'll just get added to my collection. He has a crown up there. I don't know if you can see, but because of the glare, there he is. Quasimodo. He's from the Hunchback of Notre Dame. And there's 3 of them in the collection. So I did get that. So thank you, thank you. I also got this applique patch, which my daughter just got a jeans jacket, so she's thinking she might want to add this to it. And then also a lanyard with Steamboat Mickey on it. I guess I could take it out the bag. Steamboat Mickey. And it's one of those clips. Those type of lanyards. It's one whole piece. It doesn't separate. Oh, and it's like stretchy. Oh, this is pretty cool. It's like elastic. So that. And then one of these hook things, key tool, touch tool keychain. So you're supposed to be able to, oh, I'm going to use this. I like this. You know, open the door with it, so you don't have to touch your hand. You can open the door with it, like the push doors. It's like solid metal. It's heavy, and I don't like a lot of stuff on my keychain, so I don't know. I'm gonna try to use it though now because of COVID. Oh, see here, it shows you. You can put it in the latch to open the door. You can put it on that latch to swing the latch down. You can use it to press numbers. And it tells right there, easy to use and carry, avoid contact with high touch surfaces, opens doors, operates levers, pushes buttons, and more. Awesome. I got a acrylic mold to make these as well. If you saw my last mold haul, that's like the 4th item. And then the 5th item is this Mickey Velcro adjustable canvas ball cap. It's a maroon color, so it's the color of my daughter's high school, so I think she's gonna want it. But yeah, So that's another box from Walt Life. Stay tuned because I'm gonna switch it up and try something else, and I'm more than happy to give you my opinion. So yeah, I just died. But I'm back, and of course I will give you my opinion. But thank you for joining me today. I want to welcome all my new subbies, and for those of you returning, welcome back. And hope you like and subscribe. And for more videos like these, see here and here. And until my next video, shakas.